There were no airplanes back in Jesus' time. I wonder how Jesus would find an airplane.
Hi,
Hey,
my name's Ernie.
name's Jim. So have you flown on an airplane before?
Yeah, all the time, man.
Jimmy! Get off of me! Get off of me!
So this one time I was in Hawaii, and I woke up, and then I went into the bathroom, and I brushed my teeth, and brushed my hair, and then
Dude, can I
easy
get a
for a little
pillow?
bit, and then let's see. Then I went outside, and then I went over to this one street, and then there was a koala there.
Can I get another pillow, please?
And you know, I thought I was going crazy because like koala bears and kangaroos and stuff are like Australians, right? So you know, you're not gonna hear the best part, man. The best part is.
Well? What's the best part? Tell me!
Wait, I remember.
Come on! I was taking a nap. You woke me up for this?
It's.
What is the best part? Oh my gosh!
Oh, man. Oh, I don't feel very good, man. Oh.
Oh, here, take this.
Oh, sorry, man. I think I got a little on you.
What's in the bag? My coin collection! You threw it all over my coin collection. It's ruined. See, look at that. There's
I'm
vomit
sorry.
all over my coin collection.
I'm sorry.
Oh man. Oh.
Oh, man. I'm gonna get some water. Oh, crap. Oh.
What's wrong with you? You are so annoying. How can anyone stand you? You're such an idiotic moron. How can anyone stand to be around you? I can't take this anymore. Ah!
I didn't know there was parachuting on this flight. I'm right behind you, buddy.